Join me today dito sa SM Mall of Asia as we witness Dotonbori's launch of their newest Nabe Mono. Ito yung hot pot that you can enjoy na naka-single serving, perfect para sa maulan na weather. Apart from that, syempre titikman din natin yung ibang mga sides and desserts nila. Meron tayong dalawang options ng soup base. Ito yung sukiyaki broth at yung pinili ko naman ay yung spicy miso broth. I really love the balance between the heat and the tang, tapos meron siyang magkahalong udon and glass noodles. Perfect ding isabay dyan itong beef yakiniku that we're dipping in some raw egg yolk. I know maraming hindi sanay na i-dip yung grilled meat sa raw egg yolk, pero i-try nyo, ang sarap. And of course, don't forget your rice dahil masarap ding isabay dyan yung broth ng Nabe Mono. Hindi rin nagmimintis sa mga order natin dito yung tempura at syempre yung salmon aburi. Ito yung sushi na merong torched salmon on top. Pagdating sa dessert, sobrang na-enjoy namin itong hanami dango or yung mochi na merong ice cream sa loob, and it comes in 3 flavors: sweet strawberry, citrusy yuzu, and matcha.